Hello, sixth grade scientists. Mr. Newman here. Sorry I'm not able to be with you today. I've had some meetings all day long. I would much rather be with you. However, today we're going to work on your skills assessment. So yesterday you received a pink colored document, and what your job is to use that document to help you answer and model this question. How does the sun, earth, and moon system cause lunar and solar eclipses? So as you look at that document, it's the one right here. Yesterday we wrote in that this is due on Friday. You're going to get some time today, obviously, and tomorrow to work on it. The eclipse, how does the sun, earth, and moon system cause lunar and solar eclipses? The questions you want to focus on are these 5 right here. Do my objects or animation model of the sun, earth, and moon? So you find an object or animate, and I have a video here I'm going to show you that might help you with animating or an object through drawing. Another question is, what are the positions of the sun, earth, moon during the lunar and solar eclipses? What are eclipses? How do you see an eclipse? And why are eclipses so rare? So I'm going to, as I watch you and grade your videos, you need to include information on all 5 of those questions. I will use this rubric to help grade as well, but your focus should be here. You should have it somewhere between 5 to 10 minutes long, but I don't want you to rush. So this is your planning guide. You can use information from the internet that we've studied. You can use your notes. You can use anything that you feel you need to do to fill in answers for these questions. Once you have this planned and you write your script below here, your script is what you're going to say. At that point, you can start building and creating your video. Now, whether you have that on iMovie or on your camera roll itself or other apps, that's up to you, whatever you feel you need to do to get that done. There is a video right here that I would like you to watch. This is an idea that you could use to help explain the solar and lunar eclipses through drawing. And you don't even have to be a great drawer to do this. You're not graded on your artistic ability. It's just more so modeling the concept of why we have eclipses and what's the difference between solar and lunar eclipses. And then once you've done watching that video, you can start working on your final project. A reminder, I do expect that you are on task. I expect that you are respectful to our guest teacher. And I don't have any worries about that. I know you will be. So just do a little bit of self-reflection on how to calm yourself as you are moving your way through this lesson today. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to email me. I'll be checking my email periodically throughout the day, so I should be able to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you and good luck. This should be a fun project.